Hi guys, today I want to show you the cordless grass trimmer by Bossman.
Please make sure the string is not longer from this piece. You can make the string longer by pushing the knob or simply knock it on the ground. To refill the string, you can open the cap and change the spool. You have to own the Bossman 20W battery and charger to use the grass machine. You have to select the top button before you press the on switch. If you want me to show you more how to install video, please comment down below. Thank you.